Jeg tvivler meget på, at du bliver overladt til at blive hængende længe. Ej heller at dine ting vil blive der længe. Ja.
Means I, pronounced.
Yeah.
A simple, straightforward personal pronoun.
Tvivler.
Means doubt, pronounced.
Tvivler.
The
V
is pronounced as in van, and the L is slightly softer. It's the present tense, first person singular form of the verb.
At tvivle.
To doubt.
Meget.
Means very or much. Pronounced.
My.
Dash.
Mig.
As in, my pen, and rat is a short, almost unstressed sound. It's an adverb intensifying the doubt.
På.
Means on, at, or about, depending on context. Pronounced.
Pau.
A simple preposition indicating the object of the doubt.
At.
Means that. Pronounced.
At.
A conjunction introducing a subordinate clause.
Du.
Means you, singular, informal. Pronounced.
Du.
A simple, informal personal pronoun.
Bliver.
Means become, or be passive. Pronounced.
Bliver.
This is the present tense, singular form of the verb.
At blive.
To become. Here it indicates a passive state.
Overladt.
Means left behind, or abandoned. Pronounced.
Overladt.
The past participle of
At overlades.
to be left behind. This is the passive form showing the action being done to the subject.
Til.
Means to, or for. Pronounced.
Til.
A preposition indicating purpose or direction.
At.
Means to. Pronounced.
At.
An infinitive marker introducing the next verb.
Blive.
Means to become, or to be. Pronounced.
Blive.
The infinitive form of the verb.
At blive. Hængende.
Means hanging around, or remaining. Pronounced.
Hængende.
A present participle indicating a continuing state.
Længe.
Means a long time. Pronounced.
Læ.
An adverb indicating duration.
Ej.
Means not, or neither. Pronounced.
Ej.
A negative conjunction, stronger and more formal than.
Ikke. Heller.
Means either, or, nor. Pronounced.
Heller.
A negative conjunction used with
Ej.
to create a double negative.
At.
Means that. Pronounced.
At.
A conjunction introducing another subordinate clause.
Dine.
Means your plural, possessive. Pronounced.
Din.
A possessive pronoun referring to the things belonging to.
You. Ting.
Means things. Pronounced.
Ting.
A plural noun.
Vil.
Means will. Pronounced.
Vil.
An auxiliary verb indicating future tense.
Blive.
Means be, or remain. Pronounced.
Blive.
The infinitive form of the verb.
At blive. Der.
Means there. Pronounced.
Der.
An adverb indicating location.
Længe.
Means a long time. Pronounced.
Læ.
An adverb indicating duration. Putting it together.
Jeg tvivler meget på, at du bliver overladt til at blive hængende længe. Ej heller at dine ting vil blive der længe.
Means, I very much doubt that you will be left to hang around for long. Nor that your things will remain there for long. It expresses strong doubt about someone staying somewhere for an extended period, including their belongings.